Well, hey there, and welcome to this video on product management career. Well, if you're someone who loves to create and innovate, enjoys problem solving, and has a passion for business, then product management might just be the perfect career for you. Well, in this video, we will take a deep dive into the world of product management and explore what it takes to succeed in this exciting and challenging field. We will discuss the key responsibilities of a product manager, the skills and traits you need to develop, and the various career paths available in this field. So, whether you are a recent graduate looking for a first job or an experienced professional seeking a new challenge, this video will give you a comprehensive overview of product management and help you understand what it takes to build a successful career in this field. So, without further ado, let's get straight into this video.
Hi, I'm Shirish Gupta, and I empower people to hack their success, rise above the challenges, and confidently create an extraordinary life they deserve.
Product management has emerged as one of the most pivotal elements of a business core strategy. Now, product management works in reference to the management of a product service offered by a company. Product management is a role within a company that involves overseeing the development and life cycle of a product or product line. Now, product managers work closely with a variety of teams, including engineering, design, marketing, and sales, to ensure that the product meets the need of the customer and the goals of the company. Now, product could be anything, a phone, a watch, even this, they're all product. And a product manager is a person who is responsible to identify the customer need and the larger business objective that a product or feature will fulfill. Now, articulate what success looks like on a product and leads the team to turn that vision into reality. The product manager's foremost duty is to establish the company's vision and goals for the product and take all the necessary steps to execute that vision. The end goal is to ensure the smooth functioning of the four core components: technology, design, marketing, and most important, customer satisfaction. So product managers must be well versed with the latest technological developments and have detailed marketing knowledge to enhance its user experience and maximize the business value of their company's product. Okay, now let's understand more about this career with the future scope, salary offered, top companies hiring for product managers. Product management is one of the most important functions in an organization, with the term product meaning both product and services offering. Now, other functions like marketing and sales, engineering, or finance might feel otherwise, but without a product development team delivering a solid product that customers are willing to buy and use, a company's prospects may not be for the best. Now let's discuss future scope and why it is important career field in the years to come. Now, with 20,000+ jobs available just on the LinkedIn alone, the product management domain is in high demand in India and also across the globe. According to JobEd, the average salary of product manager is around 246% higher than the national average of salary in India. The future scope of product management is very promising. As technology continues to advance and new products are being developed, there will be an increasing need for product managers who can oversee and guide the development of these products. Now, additionally, as companies continue to focus on customer experience and innovation, product managers will play a critical role in ensuring that products are meeting customer needs and staying ahead of the competition. Now, furthermore, the growing trend towards data-driven decision, making means that product managers with strong analytical skills and ability to make data-driven decisions will be highly sought after. Make a note of that. So overall, the future scope of product management looks very promising all across the globe, with many opportunities for growth and advancement. As long as you continue to develop your skills and stay up to date with industry trends, there'll be plenty of opportunities for you to build a successful and fulfilling career in product management. Now, some of the potential career paths that you can take along with this product management is associate product manager, product management, senior product manager, director of product, VP of product, chief product officer, and many more. And some of the major companies that hire product managers are, of course, Apple, Google, Meta, Uber, Netflix, Nike, Johnson & Johnson, and many more. When we talk about an average salary for a product manager role these days in the job market for an entry-level job, it's approximately about $92,000 and can go up to $230,000. And actually, if you are very well experienced, it can go up to $400,000 for senior positions as well. Now, the longer you are in this field, the more you can earn. For different roles, the pay scale varies vastly. Now that we know there's a huge growth in the product management career, let's explore skills required and job responsibilities and ideal work day in this profession. Okay, let's talk about the skills required. Now, to be successful in this field, you need following few for sure. First is definitely technical and strategy skills, very important. While product managers don't necessarily do coding or programming, an understanding of this process is useful. Knowing the product management principles is one thing, but being a great product manager means that you also care about the context you're working in. Product strategy requires both short term and long term goals. You must often make quick decisions based on your objectives, and you need to be able to back them up. So, decision making and analytical skills are very important. Next comes business and management skills. To be successful product manager, you need more than just technical skills. Great knowledge and background for the product combined with professionalism that only comes with experience. Next comes structure and logical thinking. Now, managing a company as large and complex in nature requires an understanding of how different aspects work together. Having this skill set can help you longer in this field. You have a responsibility and burden on your shoulders for making decisions based on market analyzed information to improve the quality of your product. Next comes excellent communication. Now, effective communication is crucial for this role, and I think it's crucial for everything these days. Being in the leadership position, the ability to delegate and present effectively may come in as an important role. Apart from verbal, written communication is also very important. Now, other basic skills could be decision making, leadership skills, motivation towards team building, ability to perform under pressure, attention to detail, research skills, writing reports, and making presentations. Okay, now let's just talk about roles and responsibilities of product manager. Now, specific responsibilities vary, of course, depending upon the size of the organization and the exact role. In larger organizations, for instance, product managers are embedded within teams of specialists. Researchers, analysts, and marketers help gather input while developers and designers manage the day-to-day execution, draw up designs, test prototypes, and find bugs. Now, these product managers have more help, but they also need to spend more time aligning these stakeholders behind a specific vision. Now, some of the key responsibilities of product managers are defining the product strategy and roadmap, super important, delivering MRDs and PRDs with prioritized features and corresponding justification, understanding and representing user needs, prioritizing product features and capabilities, and creating a shared brain across larger teams to empower independent decision making. Now, this role also include responsibilities like work with external third parties to assess partnerships and licensing opportunities, run beta and pilot programs with early stage product and samples, be an expert with respect to the competition, and act, or better yet, be a leader within the company. Now, the role demands a lot from a person, and everyone needs specific skill set for it. So let's work on finding how you can acquire these skills and a complete roadmap on how you can pursue this career in the next section. Well, if you've just started exploring careers and this is one of your options, I recommend gaining some knowledge of the subject through online videos and note down things that you like about the field before moving further. So I bring out these videos for you so that it will help you to do the important research to begin with. Now, if you are in high school, you can approach this career in two ways. Either taking up an undergraduate college degree in either a technical field or even a business or management or leadership. Now, there is no such restriction for an undergraduate degree, so you can pursue anything in the business or engineering or any other one that you can start with a basic understanding of business. Generally, doing industrial engineering would be a great help, but you can also opt for management degrees as well. You can also start by exploring a couple of month-long introductory courses in online platforms like Coursera. And as always, I have attached some very important and best program links for you in the description box. Along with it, make sure to keep an eye on the recent developments in the field through news and regular blogs, and follow along the advice that I'm about to talk about the college students itself. Now, if you're already pursuing your undergraduate degree in related field of business or management or technology or other areas, you can absolutely take up master's degree in product management. Now, there is no restriction on what field you choose for a career in product managers, so any graduation will lead you to this way. That will help you become an expert in this field. Now, an internship or job will be a great add-on. This will give you desired exposure and confidence to future employers that you have practical experience in this field. So I always say if you're in college, work on your profile, build on to showcase that you have an interest in this field. And then moving on to master's degree. MBA in product management is also a very good option. Product management masters is mostly offered as a specialized course. The course structure in colleges include presentation, discussion, and team projects. Given that it's one of the most popular fields in this time, a lot of universities are offering a lot of programs that can educate you to be in product management. Now, some of the top universities that are offering world-class programs are Northwestern University, Carnegie Mellon, NYU, UC Berkeley, MIT, King's College London, University of Arts London, IIM, ISB, SPJN, and many more. Now, for professionals, product managers work closely with numerous teams, including creative agencies, marketing, personal research, and product developers. And not only that, a product manager can also have many other roles, as mentioned earlier. I would advise you to get your work experience evaluated to see if you have certain skills already present in your current job profile. I would recommend those to advance their skills with shorter duration certification courses before making the switch. In conclusion, product management is an exciting and rewarding career that offers a wide range of opportunities for growth and advancement. Whether you're interested in working on cutting-edge technology products or developing innovative consumer goods, there is a product management role out there that will fit your interests and career goals. Well, I hope this video has provided you with a comprehensive overview of product management as a career and helped you understand the skills and traits you need to develop to succeed in this field. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you